When should you stop day trading? When should you walk away? Today, I want to talk about this very, very simple idea of just walking away, understanding that day trading is not a race, it's a marathon. And today, I just want to kind of talk about this emotional battle to always want to be trading. What's that saying? Always be winning. You don't always have to be trading to win. Talking about it today in this video, so well, stay tuned. What's going on, fam? What's going on? So this morning I traded for about 30 minutes. You saw the recap. I haven't made any more trades today. Here's my P&L for the day just so you can see. No more trades. I'm not lying to you. This is the real deal. I'm showing you what's really going down. I really walked away, and I did walk away for a couple of different reasons. And I think one of the big things that really any new day trader, maybe even old day traders, can think about is, what are they doing wrong in terms of just over trading? And there's going to be days, obviously, where the market's just not going to be hot, where the opportunities just aren't there. And you got to really think about it. Is it worth it? Is it worth it for you to sit there all day long and wait and watch? Maybe it is. But you also, if you're going to wait and you're going to watch and you're going to try to sit on the computer and really wait for the right setup, don't just take any setup there is. So let's talk about like CUR. CUR, it made a little push from about $1.40 up there to $1.59. It's pulling back right now. And you might look at this and be like, okay, I might jump in there to $1.50 area. It's kind of showing some support there. Maybe it's going to move. Maybe it's going to make some action. And it just doesn't do anything because first off, it's, the middle of the day. A lot of day traders normally are just done. They usually trade in the morning. They trade the volatility right there at market open. They make their money and they walk away. And that's how a lot of the long-time traders, the traders who are profitable, the traders who make money in the market, they know what works best for them, and they walk away when they've kind of hit that spot. And you'll see a lot of the traders online posting videos, morning recaps. Because why? Because they're trading in the morning and they're walking away because they know that they don't need to trade all day long to make money. And that's really one thing that I had a big problem with. When I first started to trade, I would sit there all day and I would just make trades. I would probably make 100 trades a week, and it was just like in, out, in. I'd buy anything that moved. I would have traded CUR, no doubt about it. I probably would have shorted here at the $1.50 area, trying to get a move lower, and I'd be trying to get in and out, scalping it, trying to make something happen. And the thing to think about here is, even if you're able to make a little bit of money on every single trade, the commissions, the fees are going to rack up so quickly, you're not going to actually be profitable because you're going to spend so much money getting in and out all the time, trying to take trades, trying to make money. And I think that's one of the things you can really learn when you day trade is, it's not about trying to make money. It's not about sitting here and just getting in, out. It's about waiting for the money to really just be like, whoa, this is the trade that I need to take. This is the opportunity. Today I traded DDE this morning. After I saw it just wasn't really working out, I ended up just going and doing some stuff I needed to do and handling life and just kind of relaxing the rest of the day. It did end up breaking up there to the 350 area, kind of like we were hoping it would. But still, just all day, look at this thing. It's kind of choppy, just all over the place. Sure, their shares are short, but who knows, really? At the end of the day, this stock could easily spike back up there. It could go down. It's really just a crapshoot right now, and I'm just not trying to sit here and crapshoot my way through life. I'm really trying to look for the right opportunities, and that's what it comes down to. And I can definitely focus even more on doing this and really trying to wait for the right opportunity. I think when people first start to day trade, they think that as soon as the bell rings, it's like, I got to trade. I got to trade all day. I'm going to trade every single thing there is. I'm going to get in. I'm going to get out. And people think that's the way that you're supposed to trade. And really what I think it comes down to is, over time, you'll figure out that it's better to just wait. It's better to wait for the right opportunity. Maybe you can take 10 trades and make 5 cents on each trade, and you'll get 50 cents total profit, and then you're paying all the commissions and the fees. Maybe. If you're really, really lucky, maybe you can do that. But I think the big thing to really think about is just sitting back, waiting. And the other day, somebody asked in the comments, they're like, hey, I've had this problem where I make money in the morning and by the end of the day, I lose money. Well, right there, he just answered his own question, because what did he say? He makes money in the morning, he keeps trading, and then he ends up losing money by the end of the day. Because why? Because he's forcing trades, because he's over trading. And that's really what it comes down to. Figuring out when to walk away, figuring out when you should stop. Look at the last couple weeks. Do you make money in the morning and then as the day goes on, you start to lose money. Do you lose money right in the morning and then you make money back in the afternoon? Look at when you're trading, look at when you're losing money, and then try to figure out, okay, this is really what I need to stop doing. And for me, when I first started to trade, like I said, I would trade all day long, and then I'd sit there and be like, I was up in the morning, and now I'm down. So now for me, it's great because I wake up, I make money, and I walk away, and that's just the way I do it now. People might say, yeah, but you miss out on some of the opportunities later on in the day. But also, it keeps me from doing bad things like overtrading and trying to force trades. So that's really what it comes down to, figuring out what is best for you in terms of the time of day, the amount of time you're trading, and just kind of the setups that you're trading. Really analyze what you're doing and then figure out, hey, I made 10 trades a day. 5 of those trades I made before noon. I made money on all those trades, and the rest of the trades I lost money on. So right there, it's like, okay, now you know what you're doing wrong. And really try to capitalize on the information. Look back and see what you're doing wrong, and then try to build off of that. For me, like I said, I'm not trading in the afternoons because in the past, I normally just don't have very good luck in the afternoons, and I end up overtrading. I end up forcing trades, end up racking up commissions. Even if I don't lose money, I end up just kind of in the long run adding up commissions, and it's not worth it for me. And that's really what it comes down to, figuring out what works best for you. Are you better at trading in the morning? Are you better at trading in the afternoon? When do you make the most money? When are you the most consistent? And kind of figuring out what works best for you. And that's the great thing about day trading. There is no perfect strategy for anyone. But what it comes down to is just figuring out what works best for you.